I want to bitch on my bitch, bitch. 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 Yeah, I want to bitch on my bitch, bitch. Yeah, I want to bitch on my bitch, bitch. Yeah, I want to bitch on my bitch, bitch. Yeah, I want to bitch on my her. I want to bitch on my her. I want to bitch on my her. I want to.
Rich ass nigga got an automobile tech, got a goddamn raise with the go out, yeah. Glock 23 and I'ma up this bitch, and wanna up this bitch, I'ma show out, Traffic getting hot, had to get a new spot, so you know I had to go and put the hoe out, yeah. Riding through the city with a top with a titty, and you know I got a brand new big now, Appreciate the hit, man, coming out of minivan, they gon' leave a little nigga chest out, Don't even gotta touch it, we ain't talking no discussion, bitch, I'm up, I can go and see the hit now, Don't even gotta touch it, we ain't talking no discussion, bitch, I'm up, I can go and see the hit now, Feet kicked up, Gucci shoe with the tugs, got a brick code with me on my dick, yeah. If he call for a low, we gon' give it to him. Take the stop out the chopper, no transformer. Remember ducking and dodging on that corner. Doing flip with a beat like a mighty morpher. Told myself to get rich and go help a daughter. Shooting movie with Uzi, no camcorder. Taking a trip with amigos across the border. Put 1,000 on your head, that's Sue money. Crip flags in my pocket, that's blue money. Got them big bad, they know just how he coming. I'ma sit back and lay out money to keep coming. Real big dog, the old heads look up to me. Make one call, them chopper niggas gon' rush to me. Like Chris Paul, my nigga dissing the rod. No bathroom stall, but I don't sitting on all on. Don't ride no tick, little bitch, you gon' see me when I double park and I link. I crack that ceiling, then I pull this shit. Now a nigga back sippin' that link. Been taught my mama, young nigga gon' quit cutting up. Then I bought more chops with a beam. If a nigga won't smoke, I ain't never ever turn it down. Blunts drop, him drop, you your whole team. Had a big bank roll way back when I was 12 years old. Still pop shit on the same thing. I ain't never gon' broke, hell no, I won't sell my soul. Still back in the trap with the things. Look at my drip, my swag. Got a cool $250,000 in the door for a bag. He sending big threats, so he got a toe tag. Facebook, get hoe, got a fuck nigga mad. That nigga got an automobile tech, got a goddamn raise with the